Today, we're going to be putting Discord's rich presence into our game. Before we start, you'll need Visual Studio 2017, Discord, and Unreal Engine installed. Step 1. Download the rich presence example files. github.com/discordapp/discordrpc/archive/masters.zip. Step 2. Download the needed libraries from github.com/discordapp/discordrpc/releases. Be sure to select the right libraries for your build target. Step 3. Open Discord RPC Master and unpack Discord RPC Master/examples/Unreal Status to a location on your computer. Step 4. Navigate to Discord RPC Master, Examples, Unreal Status, Plugins, Discord RPC, Source, Third Party, Discord RPC Library in the extracted directory. Step 5. Create an include folder at this directory. Step 6. From the library you downloaded in Step 2, go to Platform Dynamic/include. This will be Win64 Dynamic or Win32 Dynamic or whatever platform you downloaded. Step 7. Copy the .h files in this folder to your created include folder. Step 8. Head back to Examples, Unreal Status, Plugins, Discord RPC, Source, Third Party, Discord RPC Library. Step 9. Create a folder for the library you've downloaded. Windows 32 is Win32, 64 is Win64, Linux is Linux, OS X is Mac. If you downloaded multiple, you can have multiple here. Step 10. Head back into the zips platform dynamic folder, so Win64 dynamic or whatever, and go into the lib subfolder and copy the contents into the created folder. Do this for all the platforms you've created. Step 11. Navigate to Examples/Unreal Status and launch the Unreal Status.u project file. Be sure to select your engine version. Step 12. When built, the project will be opened. Step 13. With the project open, go to Discord and press the settings icon. Step 14. Head to the Games tab and press the Add It where you see Not Seeing Your Game. Step 15. In the Select box, type in Unreal Status and select it. Step 16. Head back into Unreal and select Play in Selected Viewport. Step 17. Wait until the top left text says Discord connected. This should take around 5 seconds. Step 18. Press the Send Update button a few times. Step 19. Head back into Discord and click your profile on the right hand side of the screen. And you're done. Your game now has rich presence. If you want, you can now close Unreal Engine and take the plugins folder and stick it into any of your projects. If you'd like to learn how to customize the rich presence experience for your game, you can either stay tuned for a future tutorial or head to the level blueprint in the Unreal Engine project. On the top ribbon, select Blueprints and open Level Blueprint to learn how the example project deals with rich presence. Good day.